So once you open the Virtual Robotics Toolkit software, the software opens in two windows. The first one is the Virtual Robotics Toolkits, what you can see. And the below one is the EV3 Lego Mindstorms software. Now, let me first just browse you through the Virtual Robotics Toolkit. You have various environments here. You have the Sim Basics, which has got these many mats. I hope you can see, you've got the maze, you've got the cleanup challenge, sumo. So all these are different environments where you are actually going to program your EV3 Mindstorms robot. Now here the robot is already built in, but when you do a physical class, you will actually be building this with the help of the Lego Education EV3 Mindstorms kit. And the basics remain the same. I mean, you will program it with the help of the EV3 software, and here you are running it on a virtual environment, whereas in the physical environment, you are going to run it on your normal floor. So that's the only difference. Now, you also have a software called as the Lego Digital Designer, which we can see at a later stage, which will help you design your own robots. Okay, so first let's go through the basics of the Virtual Robotics Toolkit. You have the Competitions tab. Now, since we have not registered for any competitions through the Virtual Robotics Toolkit, that is, it's called the VRT as short form, you will not see any environment listed here. Then I am sure many of you must have heard about the first Lego League and the WRO, that is the World Robotic Olympiad. So first Lego League, you have the challenge mats from the previous year's sessions. Like, you can practice the previous year's sessions, because that will give you an idea that in a time frame of 2.5 seconds, what are the missions you need to solve. So City Shaper was the one which we had participated last year, that is in 2019. Of course, 2020 competitions are yet not fully done in most of the countries due to the current pandemic situation. But you will soon find the mat here. Now, World Robotic Olympiad this year, they completely went online, and they have posted the recent mats. That means if you have your the competition was there in 2020, and the students could actually practice on the virtual environment and then go physical for the competition. But this year it was a boon to all the kids, because the competition itself is online, so you can practice all your missions over here. Now that we can see what we'll do later, because now we don't have any competition mats ready. So these are all the competition mats available for the World Robotics Olympiad. Let's go back to the basics. We are going to start with the sandbox environment. This is a sandbox. This is a basic environment where you will program most of your robots. So I will show you how the environment looks like, and then we are going to program the EV3 Mindstorm robot to do some basic functions.